What's up guys, TechFlash here, and today we are going to talk about Google Stadia. Now Google Stadia was announced in March 2019 at Game Developers Conference from Google. Now if you don't know about it, it's the console killer from Google which is going to end all the gaming consoles you have right now with you. So the Xbox you are using, the PlayStation you dearly love are going to go away because Google has finally struck gold here. Basically, Google thinks that in future you are not going to need any kind of console to do high-end gaming because you can stream higher-end gaming from directly using Google servers. Now, higher-end consoles and PC games are a big part of the gaming industry, and Google is trying to convert all those games on cloud servers. Now Google service will work on big screen TVs and any device frankly with an internet connection. So you need an internet connection and a screen to stream ultra quality games. It is going to be like Netflix just for games. So this is a revolutionary technology which was revealed to us on March 2019, and today Google has given us some more details regarding their whole plan of Google Stadia. So the biggest question, what will it cost to an end consumer? And the answer is it will not cost that much. It is not going to be a free service as most of us expected. You are going to pay some amount for it, but it is not going to be very much because frankly when you buy a console you are paying some upfront cost and then you have to buy some games to play on it. But with Google Stadia you are only going to pay for some games, and the whole streaming service, the whole server thing is going to come with it. Google Stadia will have two pricing models. One is called Stadia Pro, which is going to cost $9.99 a month in US, and it will offer a bunch of bundled games which are older PC titles and bunch of console games which you already know in a Netflix style environment. However, you can buy latest games with higher end graphics and the games which even have not come out yet, and these games will cost you individually. So you will buy a game and instead of using it on your console you will just stream it directly from Google, and it will enable you to stream the same game on your TV, on your mobile phone, on your laptop, or frankly any other device with an internet connection. So it is going to be a revolutionary technology. Also, the interesting part of the whole scenario is that this system supports 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. So it is not going to be some cheap ass gaming experience. It is going to be higher end gaming experience, and everyone with a screen can enjoy it. Now you will also be able to buy some special accessories to use Google Stadia. For example, it will work with Chromecast Ultra, and you can buy a separate controller, but you can also use Xbox or PlayStation controllers which you already have with you. What games are going to be available with Google Stadia? And Google finally has answered that. So some games were already announced, or we already knew about those because Google showed them in their various demos. And the biggest name which comes to our mind is going to be Assassin's Creed Odyssey, because that was the game Google demoed when they first announced the Google Stadia project. Also, another top end game which is frankly not even out yet is called Doom Eternal. It is also coming to Google Stadia, and you will also be able to buy it as a separate bundle. Other than that, there are other games which include Destiny 2, Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint, Tom Clancy's Division 2, and other special titles which include big names like Mortal Kombat 11, Metro Exodus, NBA 2K, Power Rangers, The Crew 2. So there are a bunch of great names in the whole scenario, and if this goes right, I think every single game out there is going to come on Google servers, and you will be able to play them just like you play a Netflix on your PC or console. So what do you think about the Google's whole Google Stadia initiative? Do you think it will be a success? Because for any streaming service to be a success, you need a very fast internet connection. And for Google Stadia, that connection has to be very strong, and you need a very low amount of ping if you want to do gaming and want to compete with others, because in case of Netflix you can stream a video, and in terms of the ping you are not really limited, because sometimes around even if the internet connection goes down you have already streamed up the whole scenario. But in terms of gaming it's all real time, so if there is higher number of pings or it's a slow internet connection, you are not going to be able to play all these games. So I want to know what are your opinions about this whole thing. personally, I don't think so that this will be adopted by most of the users. But at the same time, I think that 5G is just on the horizon, so we might as well just get something that is using that internet speed which 5G is going to provide us. So I'm excited about this technology, but I cannot say for sure that this is going to be the future. So that is my opinion. And as far as the availability is concerned, it is going to roll out first in countries of Europe, America, Canada, and after that it will come to countries in Asia like India and other countries in the region. So I'm excited about this. Do let me know what are your thoughts, and do let me know how do you like me talking about other technology products instead of mobile phones. So this was me, and I'm going to sign out for today. I will see you in the next one.